Ola bafethu kuhamba kanjani sikwi-District 99 tournament khona la eDuduza, and-ke one of abantu who have graced us with their presence is uNdaba Ithethwa Ndlondlo. Kunjani bhuti?
Phela kunjani?
Hayi kuhle kuyancomeka. We're so happy to see a player of your caliber gracing us with his presence osukwini namhlanje. Maybe in terms of ikasi football, ibaluleke ngani ikasi football in terms of uplifting ibhola lase South Africa as a whole?
I think ibaluleke ngokuthi i-development yama-player yanceda naye ukuthi wazi ukuthi lento le iqala kuphi, because nami kula ngiqale khona ngadlala khona. So I think for ukuthi ama-tournament asabe khona kubalulekile ne-community as well, because nayo iyabenefita because abantu abathengisayo, abantu abasekasi ba-avoid izinto ey'ningi, at least babe endaweni eyi-one bazosupport ibhola babhekelele ibhola.
Oh, now you were scouted kwi-kasi tournament kanje.
Yeah.
All right, that's actually fantastic. And uyazi ukuthi-ke ilokhuzana Herotel is one of the sponsors sayo-ke namhlanje i-District 99 tournament, and-ke uzowathola ama-updates kwi-Inquisitive Stereo let's hear you out. Maybe lastly, your message to Bafana Bafana as they head over to Morocco to represent us kwi-AFCON.
What I can say to them is that they've done so well to be where they are right now, and also to be getting the recognition that they are getting. And what I can say to them is that they have our full support as a nation, and as Philip Ndlondlo as well. I'm rallying behind them, and they must go all the way and bring the AFCON Cup back to South Africa.
All right, siyabonga kakhulu. Continue playing those disguise passes.
Thank you.
Yabo ama-disguise lezo zami.
Sure.
Danko.